All right, we are required to divide 1 to 2 in base 6 by the number 5, leaving our answer in base 6. This number 5, because the base is not specified, this number is actually in base 10. So the best approach is to convert base 6 into base 10. Carry out the division and, of course, return the answer to the original base 6. Let's get into the solution right away. All right, so let's take 122 base 6 and convert to base 10. Of course, the conversion is by expansion. Remember, we have to write exponents, 0 from the right, 1 and 2 that way. And now we begin the expansion process. So this is going to be equal to the first digit, 1, multiplied by the base 6 to the power of the exponent written on it, which is 2, plus the next digit, which is 2, multiplied by the base 6 to the power 1 written on it, and finally plus the next digit, which is 2, multiplied by the base 6 to the power 0 written on it. And by solving for each unit, we have 6 squared, 6 multiplied by 6, that's 36, 36 times 1, 36, plus 6 to the power 1 is 6, multiplied by 2 gives us 12, plus 6 to the power 0, according to the law of indices, any number to the power 0 gives 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 gives us 2. And by adding these together, we get 36 plus 12 gives us 48, and 48 plus 2 gives us 50. This is written now to base 10. So the next stage is to carry out the division by 5. 5 divided into 50 gives us 10. So we have, therefore, 5 divides into 50. 50 divided by 5 gives us 10. And this is in base 10, of course. So to convert base 10 into base 6 will be the last stage of the work. Let's do that. The conversion from base 10 to base 6 will be done by division. So let's carry out that division right now. Convert base 10 written on that side. The base to which we want to convert, which is 6, will be written here. And now the division process. 6 divides into 10 gives us 1, leaving a remainder of 4. Another round of the division, 6 tries to divide into 1. That's not possible, so we write a 0. And now that 1 will be taken as our final remainder. Remember, the remainders will be written in the reverse order from bottom to the top. And therefore, we can conclude that the original question given to us, 122 base 6, divided by 5, gives us 1, 4, now in base 6. And that's our final answer. Very simple. And that will be that option right there, option D. Very simple. Now, attached to this video are 2 quizzes. You can attempt to test your understanding of the content of this video. Also attached in the pinned comment is the link that takes you to the full test on number basis. So test your mastery or understanding of the topic number basis by taking the test. 30 questions in 30 minutes. And finally, you can also access the link in the pinned comment and watch the full analysis of the topic number basis